game day snack attack. Hut, hut, hype. Not ready, set, hut.
Ready?
Ready, set, go. All right, we got it. Playoffs are in full swing, and we are getting ready for the Cardinals to take on the Rams this Monday night right here on ABC. And here with great game time grub is Chef Ashton Keefe. Good morning, Ashton. How are you? It's great to have you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me. Happy game day season.
Yes, we're ready to jump into the food here. So you don't want to be in the kitchen, of course, when the game is on, right? You want to be watching the game and focusing. So you say this first one is all about set it and forget it.
Absolutely. So set it and forget it. You can literally just sit on your couch and let the Instant Pot do the work for you. So this is really easy. This is my buffalo chicken lettuce wrap. So I'm combining buffalo chicken wings and tacos and making it a little bit healthier. So what I'm going to do is just add, I've got chicken breast here. I've got onions, celery, garlic, butter, and hot sauce. And then what I'm gonna do is just add it all to my Instant Pot. You guys will see me slide this in, perhaps not as gracefully, but okay, there we go. And then I'm gonna put my hot sauce in, and you could use the oven for this. You could also use a slow cooker. You could do pork, you could do spaghetti squash. So there's a lot of variety to this. And then you just literally put the lid on. It cooks for 15 minutes. And some of these actually even have like Wi-Fi capabilities, so you don't even have to do anything. Like you don't even have to press a button.
And you say you can customize this dish to kind of make it your own.
Absolutely. So you guys will see, this is the shredded chicken that comes out. Very easy. And then I'm using lettuce wraps. I know you guys have some of them in front of you too. So we're going to make this together. But you can use like hoagie rolls or hamburger rolls. You can use romaine, whatever you have. And I just put the lettuce like this. And then I'm going to add a little bit of my chicken. And I have, and you guys have in front of you, radishes, jalapenos. We have some goat cheese, you guys will see. And you can stuff them however you want. So you can get your kids involved, family involved. And it's a great way to empty out your fridge after like a long week.
Ashton, and real quick, because of course nachos are a game day must. You have a fun take on these, right?
Absolutely. Use any leftover vegetables, roast them up, and then pop them on your veg or on your nachos. So then you can kind of cut back on the cheese, add what you have left over in your fridge, herbs, roasted vegetables, anything, and it's really delicious. And it's a great way to start the week and have a great game day.
Ashton, thank you so much. And remember, when the nachos stick together, it counts as one nacho. Very important. We appreciate it, Ashton. All these recipes on our website, goodmorningamerica.com.